what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirtnation Off-Road. So, quick video for you guys. You guys have seen on previous Hungry Valley videos, there's a hill that we have not been able to conquer, as well as multiple vehicles that have run with us. This is Dirtnation Hill. Yeah!
Damn. Ooh, shit. Oh, you stopped.
Nobody's been able to do it. So we got Hyman and Fernando making noise. They're gonna try it. So let's see what happens. Any last words?
It's gonna go up. I don't see
George?
He's saying it's gonna go up like nothing. So
Let's do it. Let's go.
Think he's gonna do it?
It's over. It's over. That sounds disgusting. Hey, you gonna try again? Okay.
Hey, make me wait.
I'm good.
My man friend knows.
We might need to do it. We might need to do it.
Right there, starts to cut out.
Holy shit!
Oh my god. That's so fucking scary.
Careful, Jaime, goddammit.
Go grab your radio, fool.
Go grab your radio.
Go grab your radio.
I'm fucking running that way. Get out my fucking way.
He's leaking fuel. Look, he's leaking fuel now.
Tell him he got fuel all over his trunk, man.
So there it is. Dirtnation Hill is unconquerable currently, as of this date. Hyman wasn't able to do it. Fernando didn't want to try.
Mechanical issues.
He's claiming mechanical issues. I'm gonna let it slide. We'll be back. If you guys want to try this hill, invite us out. We'll come record it. All right, so because this hill is so dang hard to climb, and we're pretty confident that unless you're a pretty built rock crawler, you're not going to make it up this thing, we're putting a bounty on this hill. So if you guys want to try it out, you can either invite us out, or what you can do is record a video saying, I'm trying the Dirtnation Hill Challenge. We have the coordinates for the hill, so go ahead and hit us up on Instagram, or you can email us, and I'll send you exactly where the hill is. And if you guys are able to get a video of conquering this hill, we'll send you a Dirtnation flag. So bounty on Dirtnation Hill for a Dirtnation flag. So let's get it. This is the hill right here. We know where it is. Hit us up if you want to try. Nobody's been able to conquer this bitch. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you again next time.